Hello everyone, welcome to 72's, the CLA 200 2015 again. We've been replaced socks, front and thermostat, and another problem coming is the coil. Nissan coil for this one, it look like this. This is the old one and this is the new one. For some reason the engine go red engine light because I scan and they say ignition number 2 faulty. Try put a new one on, maybe it's caused by overheat. And you see how small the spark plug is here, and it's very hard to get in, one of them. And how you replace the spark plugs, I don't know. Okay, I never done one before. It's really don't know how to take one out, so just slide one in and see what happened. And yeah, hopefully I do the problem. I fix the problem. It's not stop from there, the red engine light on, so we have to do something. Buy a new one of it. So another problem is how to take it up. Not simple at all. Okay, let's check, see if they all look the same. It's all about the same, but why it's not coming in? Okay. Not hard, not easy, not easy. Can we get in? Need a torch. Very little one like this. I don't think about how to replace the coil, the spark plug for it. Okay, deep inside there. Go deeper inside. And we slide in. Look really weird. Okay, we tilt. To slide in, we have to tilt angle this way and slide on and go in and push it on. That's it. Okay, we may need a screwdriver. Push it down. That's it. That's how they come in. May need a little flat screwdriver. And push it on the back. Yep. Put it down like that. The I can't imagine the spark plug very small. Okay, we put on and try. See it work. Oh shit. Okay, we slide on and we test, see it work. Finger crossed, see it work. Okay, so we got very terrible tools. Sorry, my tools is so terrible. And the core problem is the overheat and blow out the Nissan coil. Hopefully it's secondary, so hopefully it works. Put in for time being and see how it goes. Okay. Before we screw everything in. Okay. Not yet. Kind of weird looking spark plugs, and it's very expensive too. Not cheap at all. Okay, leave it like that. Let's just go start it up. See the engine light go up. See it go up. So it's less shaking than before. Yeah, it's good. So it works correct. No shaking as before. So we turn up and reset the engine, and when we put everything all screwed in. We start it up and let it run, warm up for a while, see how they go, how it's behaved. And we got everything back in. And we reset the ECU and see hopefully it works. Okay, we'll wait until it goes warm before we do it again. We'll check more water, just in case the water gone. Overheat the engine and get caught by this one fail. When it's cold, right? When it's hot, it gives you arrow fire. So they send out to the engine. So they give you engine light on, and I delete everything. Okay, and it should be good. Okay, start again. Okay, we have to reset the surface oil. How to reset surface oil? I don't know. You go to. Hopefully this will solve the problem, and this is how you replace. Take up this one and move this one, and behind here the bolt holding this bracket. Take this one off, and you can remove the this part out, and you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. You count engine 1, engine 2, number 3, number 4, and pull it out and remove it. And this one, when you go in, slide on this side, go two on like this, and slide in and straight them up. Should be alright. Okay. Thanks for watching Simon 2 short video about ignition coil after the overheat and caught the problem with engine red light on. See ya.